Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today I'd like to talk to you about uploading uploads to Amazon Seller Central. So if you sell print-on-demand, and maybe you already sell your print-on-demand products via Printful on Seller Central, maybe not, maybe you think about it. And today I'd like to show you a good way to automate these uploads because as you maybe know, I'm using Flying Upload as upload tool to upload to, the websites like Redbubble, Spreadshirt, Fine Art America, Threadless, Zazzle, and so on. And I've also uploaded, recently started uploading automatically to Etsy because Flying Upload, they now offer, to automate uploads to Printful. This was never, I think up to 4 weeks ago, this had never been activated, this possibility. And they were always working on it, but this is now working. So I did start like 4 weeks ago to automate uploads to Etsy. But of course, this can get quite expensive on Etsy because every listing costs 20 cents. So this is not the case with Amazon Seller Central, although you need to pay a monthly fee on Amazon Seller Central to be able to sell on Seller Central. But for me, that's not a major issue because I think it's a good privilege to be able to sell on Seller Central, especially if you, for example, cannot sell on Amazon Merge because maybe they didn't accept your application, but you still always have the possibility to sell print-on-demand products on Seller Central. Now, as I said, they charge a monthly fee for that. I think it's around $30 or is it $39? I can't remember, to be honest. I think it's £25 and $30. Whatever currency you would pay it in, depending on where you live. And then but then the beauty of it is that you can upload as many designs as possible, right? So this is the good thing. So because with Amazon Seller Central, they don't have the tier system, so you can just upload whatever you want. And there is no limit. For example, on Redbubble, you have a daily limit of 60, on Spreadshirt, a daily limit of 20. But there is no limit on Seller Central. I mean, of course, if you upload the whole day continuously, maybe this is a bit too much and they might actually, it might trigger something on Amazon. But if you just upload, 50, 60, maybe even 100 designs per day, which is quite a lot because all these designs need to be created as well, then you already have a good base and foundation, and you'll be able to maximize, hopefully, your sales and profits quite significantly. Now, I'd like to show you how to do it because if you're using an upload tool, now this is really a great way of making use of it, especially because if you pay this sort of flat rate on Amazon Seller Central, these $30 per month, it gives you the possibility to upload as many designs as you want. So the more you upload, the less you pay per listing. And also the other good thing is on Seller Central, I mean, on Etsy, every 4 months you have to extend the listing and you have to pay another 20 cents. On Amazon Seller Central, you don't have to do that. I think it will just stay online forever. And this is just great. So I just wanted to show you how I do this. I use Flying Upload, as you can see here. I've got it open. I'm actually uploading to all these other websites here at the moment. I've actually stopped it for the purpose of this video because then otherwise, the video, I might struggle to record the video. So there is this possibility in Flying Upload to create a template, and you can select Printful here. So what you can see here, all these websites here, when you upload to them, they require you to add a template, which is quite simple. It just means that you have to upload manually one time, and then you create a template out of that. And then Flying Upload will always use that template to position the product and to determine which colors you want and the products that you want. But on Printful, you have to also create a template. So these are obviously all the platforms that Printful support and that Flying Upload support. I think Printful support even more platforms, but Flying Upload support all of these, and they are the main ones, to be honest: Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Shopify. Now, because I want to demonstrate the upload to Amazon, I have selected this. Otherwise, it will now upload to all of these here at the same time, which I don't want. I only want to upload to Amazon. And then you can select a template here. And what you can then do is in Printful, you have to create a template. And then you have to put the name of this template in, what kind of mockups you want, You can add the product name. So in this case, it would be t-shirt, because t-shirt would be added then to the product description. The price, then if you have any measurement information or dimensions to it, so that the people who buy it know the sizes, they've got a bit of size information. And then marketplaces. So these are all the marketplaces that Flying Upload support currently. It is, I will now upload to US and Canada. Unfortunately, and I've made them aware of it, they do not support the UK marketplace at the moment, but this is quite a central and important marketplace at the moment. So I've made them aware. I think they're working on it. But so to the UK marketplace, I still upload automatically. Manually, which also doesn't take too long in Printful. I think Printful is very user-friendly. But obviously, the US and Canada, I want to speed up the process a little bit. If I don't have to upload manually, I want to avoid it. So I'm going to upload to US and Canada at the same time now. I haven't applied for Mexico because, I'm not really familiar with the language. And I just want to stick to English-speaking countries for now. Maybe in the future, I'm going to expand as well if everything else is running. So I'm going to select that. This is now selected, and then I'm going to start the upload process. Okay, so I've got a design here, just a simple Bitcoin design, which I just created this morning for the purpose of this video. And I'm going to upload to Printful. So as you can see here, this is already uploaded to Fine Art America, Shirty, Threadless, and Redbubble. And I'm going to upload to Amazon now. By the way, they also support the upload to Amazon merch. What you would need to do is here, then you can add all the information for Amazon merch. This works a bit different to the other platforms, so you have to add additional information, but I'm not going to upload to Amazon merch. I'm going to upload to Printful. So I have to select the start of the upload process here, and it will start to upload in a few seconds. It now opens, obviously, the Printful website. And I'm not going to speed up this video. I just want to show you how it works. And I just let it run. And, now it's selecting the product. It's going to select the template that I have put in. And again, it is really good because if you use Flying Upload, and if you when you have a new design and you use Flying Upload, you can add the description and the title and the color information. You can add all of this in Flying Upload in the dashboard, and then it saves all this information in a separate file. So this information, this work that I put in to put the description in and the title, this is linked to the design, and this means without having to add any further text or title or keywords or tags or anything, I can just click one press of a button and I suddenly can start upload to an additional platform without having to put in this title again, the description and the tags. Because all of this, even though it doesn't take too long, it all adds up and time is valuable. If you run a business, time is money. So this is really the good thing, that I don't have to add this information again. I can just let it run now, and I could overnight, let the software upload whatever 60, 70 designs, and I already have all the information in my folders. So what Flying Upload does is when you have a new design and you put the PNG file into Flying Upload and you add your title, description, and tags, then it I think it's called an XML file, which also always has to be in the same folder as the actual design. And they also have the same name, and then they're always linked together. And just when you pull the design again into Flying Upload, maybe you've only uploaded to 5 of the platforms they support, and you now want to upload to the other platforms, all you need to do is to pull the design in again, and it automatically brings in the text, the title, description, tags, and everything. And you just have to click and start the upload process to the other platforms. And this is really handy, and it just saves a long time in the long run. Because it's like an asset. It's not only it's not only the design that I have, it's also all the keywords, the research I did, and the tags, which take time. And if you can save all that information, and it's not only saved on the platforms like on Redbubble but it's saved in a separate file. This is so valuable because I could always take this to another, to another software, I don't know, but I can always take it with me, and then I have it for the future. So this is really good. And that's it. It's done the upload, and that's it. And I will receive a message in a few seconds that it has finished the upload in Printful. There it is. The uploads to the platform printful.com have been finished. So this is just information that comes when the upload has been finished. And obviously you don't always want to upload just one. So I'll pull in here 100 designs, and then I'll just go away and have lunch or dinner or whatever, or do something else, walk the dogs, and it just saves so much time. And in parallel, I mean, I've got, as you can see here, I've got normally 5 uploads running at the same time. My laptop can also do more. I think it can do up to 6 or 7 uploads at the same time, but then it would just slow it down a little bit. But in the end, it doesn't matter because I don't need to be here. I can just walk away and let it do the uploads. So this is just something I wanted to show you. I've got a link to Flying Upload down below, also to Printful. And if you use the link in the description, you can get, I think it's 30% off for Flying Upload, but there is a discount code which you can use to get a discount, and the discount is higher than you would normally get on the platform, on their website, if you don't use the link. So this is really handy. And let me know what you think. I think it's really a good way to, again, diversify or spread out your designs, go to different platforms, because not everybody is on tier 1000, tier 5000. And if you already have a lot of designs and you think about what are the alternatives to Redbubble or Spreadshirt, and you already make a bit of profit and you can afford paying this monthly fee to Amazon, then it should be a no-brainer to just come here and do the uploads on Seller Central as well. Because Amazon is the biggest platform out there, they will just continue to grow. And actually not so many people are doing these print-on-demand products on Seller Central, because most people are using Merch by Amazon. And this is a good way to do it with Printful, because it still is very hands-off. You don't have to do anything when you get the order. It's all handled by Printful. And I think it's a really good way to make additional profits. I actually haven't sold anything on sellercentral.com yet, or on Canada, because I've really only started doing the upload process today. As you might have seen in my previous video on how to set the whole Seller Central Printful integration up. It took a week in total, but I've got a full tutorial video on that. Well, if you've seen that, then you'll know that I have only very recently set my Seller Central account up. I've been uploading to Amazon UK for a while now, but now I'm going to start to upload to Amazon US and Canada. All right, so if you like this video, then please smash the like button. I hope it was useful. And if you want to follow me on my print-on-demand journey, then please subscribe to the channel, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.